sitting in the park? Do you mean?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't ask that. You said, do you wish we would have done more of this? I think picnics and stuff, yeah. At the Marina Barrage, we're doing a one-day Instagram-worthy stop at all the places in Singapore that we can reach. This is stop number 1, the Marina Barrage. Thoughts, comments?
I'm doing the places I will miss most, not the Instagram-worthy places.
I have the internet search history to prove that it's Instagram-worthy. See you in a little bit at the next location. Here we are at the Singapore MERLION, second stop on our Instagram tour of Singapore. Oh, what do you think of the MERLION?
I thought it would be bigger. Thinking that the first time I saw it way long ago.
Yeah? We are now at the Singapore flyer that we've never been on before. Can you see it back there? There it is, Singapore flyer. Instagram worthy photo number 3. We're doing like a kind of like a grand tour, end of the year grand tour of Singapore. Just taking our selfies. Instagram worthy selfies right here. Boom. And we have a few more stops on our tour. We've already been to Gardens by the Bay. You can check that video out. I already have that on YouTube for you. I don't know what else is next. Ren, where are we going next? Huh?
I don't know, we're just walking.
We're just walking and talking. Kind of have an agenda a little bit, but we are just walking and talking. Okay, no agenda.